Motorhead Garage, brought to you by Dragonfire Tools, industrial workbenches with integrated tool storage.
Always a great day here at Motorhead Garage, presented by Dragonfire Tools. When Forney comes in and paints the town green, our friend Gabby's here, and all the folks from Forney. You've brought some cool stuff for show and tell. What's new in the Forney line?
Yeah, so we have our new 190 MP. So this is our 3/8 machine. So multi-process, MIG, TIG, stick. It is just a lift arc TIG, so you cannot put a foot pedal on it. It does have an Amphenol connector on the front though, which allows us to use a spool gun. So that's really cool that you can purchase this machine and then also have capabilities for spool gun welding. On our, lower model machine, on our 140 MP, we don't have that capability. So this kind of meets the ground in between our 220 MP and our 140 MP. So this unit here is our basic spool gun, and so we have it hooked up to this machine. The cool thing about this unit is that it has a true set, and so if you choose the thickness of wire that you're using with your machine, it's just going to give you a setting. So it's just going to allow that machine to set itself, and then you're ready to rock and roll and start welding.
What are the parameters you need to put in there?
Yeah, so you just need to select with your center button the thickness of wire that you're using, and then you're going to select your gas and your thickness of material that you're welding on, and it'll base your settings off of that. So you have a trim adjustment from +9 to -9, and what that does is it makes it warmer or colder because every welder likes their welds a little different, and so we didn't want to completely take that away, so you still have the options to adjust it. And then of course we have a manual mode as well.
People that really want control, they can do that
yes,
one too. Yes,
exactly.
And this is the basic spool gun here. Forney has come out with a new design that's ergonomically improved and some other cool features on it here. So.
Yeah, so it's really awesome. What you do is here with our basic spool gun, your spool is up top. So you have a lot of weight on that back end that you can't really control. And so by dropping the spool on the bottom, we have created a center of mass. So if you hold the spool gun near the trigger, then you're going to be able to balance it. You're not going to run into issues to where that spool is getting in the way. There's also an adjustment here on the neck. So you can swivel this neck if you need to and then tighten it back down. You could weld with it in the up position. You could do overhead and vertical a lot easier as well. So we have a lot of customers who are purchasing these that are doing a lot of out of position welding, and it's working really great for them.
Forney's not just about welders, you also have plasma cutters here. And here's a new one from Forney. What's new and exciting with this one?
Yeah, so this is our 45P Pro. So this is a part of our Pro line of machines. Right now we have 2, so it's exciting because now this is our second unit. We have a 40P, and sometimes people ask us, well, why did you come out with a 45? It doesn't make sense, right? 5 more amps, why does that make sense? Well, with the new torch that we offer, the consumables and the life of consumables, as well as the performance you get out of this torch, you can cut up to 7/8 clean cut, and you could sever up to 1 1/8 inches. So that's a lot of power compared to our 1/2 machine. So this machine really, really kicks some butt. So
what are some of the features of these machines that make them easy to use?
So these machines are designed so that people don't have to put a lot of thought into it while they're getting ready to use it. So like with this 190 MP, that true set, right? So that makes it really easy for an end user just to come in, select their wire, their thickness of material, and just weld. So that makes that machine super easy.
And who are the folks that are using Forney? Who are most of your customers?
Yeah, so we have a wide range of customers. So we have DIY, farm and ranch, automotive, light industrial. We kind of hit all aspects of that between our Easy Weld line up to our Pro line. So it's awesome.
If you're doing any welding from mild to wild, Forney is the place to go, ForneyIND.com. More Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com coming up.